Hello, lovely English learners. Welcome back to English Daily Lessons. I'm Charlie, and this is day 4 of your 5-day Shadowing English Speaking Challenge. If you clicked on this video because you want to speak English more fluently and practice real speaking, you are in the right place. This lesson is made for shadowing, listening and speaking along with me. So, how is your challenge going so far? Are you enjoying the practice? I hope you are, because even if your progress feels slow, you are still moving forward. Every time you show up, listen, repeat, and try again, you are growing quietly, deeply, and steadily. One day you will look back and think, wow, I can really speak in English now. You are doing great, and I'm truly proud of you. And if you had some difficult moments or days where it felt hard, you are not alone. That is normal in learning. Before we start, write in the comments, Day 4, I'm still here. Or share one small challenge you faced in this 5-day journey. I really enjoy reading your comments, and I'm here to support you. If this is the first video you found from this challenge, remember that days 1, 2, and 3 are all linked for you in the description below. You can watch them anytime and follow the full 5-day speaking challenge in order. Now, are you ready for today's shadowing session? Amazing! Before we begin, promise me one thing. Don't give up. Not today. You have already come so far. Just 2 more days, and you will complete this full 5-day speaking challenge. That feeling will be amazing. All right. Let's go over the plan for today. The instructions are simple. 1. Listen to me first. 2. Repeat after me. 3. If you need more time, pause the video and practice again. Today we will go through 10 short, powerful sentences, step by step, slowly and clearly. I will say each sentence 3 times. You can follow the words on the screen. The simple language is there to help you feel confident and natural. If at any point you feel I'm too fast or something isn't clear, just pause, repeat, or tell me in the comments. Now, get comfortable. Maybe grab a coffee or a cup of tea. This is your time, just for you. We'll start speaking in just a moment. Before we begin the sentences, if this challenge is helping you, tap like on this video and subscribe to English Daily Lessons so you don't miss Day 5 and more speaking practice lessons. Now, let's begin your English shadowing practice for Day 4. Remember to listen first, then repeat after me. Let's start sentence 1. I am not just learning English. I am slowly changing my future. I am not just learning English. I am slowly changing my future. I am not just learning English. I am slowly changing my future. Every time I speak, I break a little piece of fear inside me. Every time I speak, I break a little piece of fear inside me. Every time I speak, I break a little piece of fear inside me. Fluency is not a finish line. It is a journey I choose every day. Fluency is not a finish line. It is a journey I choose every day. Fluency is not a finish line. It is a journey I choose every day. I am proud of my effort, even if nobody can see it yet. I am proud of my effort, even if nobody can see it yet. I am proud of my effort, even if nobody can see it yet. Great job so far. You've already spoken 4 strong sentences, 3 times each. This is how your brain and mouth learn to work together in English. Stay with me. In the next part, we'll keep building your confidence with more simple but powerful lines. Take a breath, relax your shoulders, and when you're ready, continue to the next part. Let's continue. My voice is important, even when it shakes a little. My voice is important, even when it shakes a little. My voice is important, even when it shakes a little. Every mistake means I am pushing my limits and growing. Every mistake means I am pushing my limits and growing. Every mistake means I am pushing my limits and growing. I am becoming the kind of person who speaks with real confidence. I am becoming the kind of person who speaks with real confidence. I am becoming the kind of person who speaks with real confidence. Beautiful! You are not just repeating words. You are training your mindset, your courage, and your English voice. In the final part, we'll finish the last 3 sentences of Day 4 and close today's session together. Stay with me until the end. You're almost there. Let's finish strong. This small effort today is building my big dream for tomorrow. This small effort today is building my big dream for tomorrow. This small effort today is building my big dream for tomorrow. I keep showing up, and that is my real victory. I keep showing up, and that is my real victory. I keep showing up, and that is my real victory. Speaking English is becoming a little easier for me every single day. Speaking English is becoming a little easier for me every single day. Speaking English is becoming a little easier for me every single day. Wonderful work today. You did it. We've just finished 10 simple but powerful sentences in your shadowing English speaking practice for day 4. Did you enjoy this challenge? I really hope you did, because I enjoyed practicing with you. Remember, this journey is not about being perfect. It's about showing up, trying, and using your voice, even if it's just for a few minutes a day. You have completed day 4 of your 5-day shadowing challenge. That is huge. Take a moment and feel proud of yourself. You are doing something amazing for your future. If you ever feel stuck, tired, or unsure, you can always come back to this video and shadow with me again. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. I'm really, really proud of you. You can absolutely do this. I'll see you tomorrow for day 5, the final day of this 5-day shadowing English speaking challenge here on English Daily Lessons. On your screen now, you'll see day 3 of this 5-day speaking challenge and also the full challenge playlist from English Daily Lessons. If you want to review and get even more shadowing practice, click on the Day 3 video and practice it again with me. Or if you'd like to follow the whole challenge step by step, click on the playlist and watch all 5 days in order. Keep going, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson on English Daily Lessons.